Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delightful lipstick lollipops. We will start by gathering all the necessary ingredients and tools, ensuring everything is ready for a smooth process. Next, I will guide you through the simple cooking steps to create the perfect candy base. Finally, we will explore how to shape and decorate your lollipops, adding that unique lipstick touch. Get ready to create some sweet, edible art. To begin, let's gather our essential ingredients and tools. You will need 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1 cup of water, and 1/2 cup of light corn syrup. This combination creates a wonderfully smooth candy base. Don't forget your favorite food coloring and flavor extracts to personalize your lollipops. Lastly, ensure you have your lipstick-shaped molds and plenty of lollipop sticks ready for the next steps. Now, let's cook our lollipop base. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine the sugar, water, and corn syrup. Heat this mixture over medium-high heat, stirring gently until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. Continue cooking without stirring until the temperature reaches exactly 300 degrees Fahrenheit on a candy thermometer. Once it hits this crucial temperature, remove the pan from the heat and carefully stir in your chosen food coloring and flavor extracts. With your flavored candy mixture ready, it's time for the fun part, shaping and decorating. Carefully pour the hot liquid into your prepared lipstick molds. Immediately insert a lollipop stick into each mold, ensuring it's centered before the candy begins to set. Let your lollipops cool completely for about 20 minutes, or until they are firm. For that extra special touch, you can add edible glitter or a second color to create a realistic lipstick effect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.